All right, today we're gonna bring in some two cat door and dog latches for your door. So they're a pair of two. We're gonna set it up and see how it works. So first of all, they give you the screw-on system. So you actually screw them on to each one, and you have to maintain in the door. So it could keep the door closed. Different sections, different levels of how much space you want your actual animal. If he could fit through a smaller crevice, then I would suggest go to the first one. But if he's a large dog or a pet, you could just do that one. And this actually cracks the door open. It doesn't completely open the door, so he won't come in and rush in. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. All right, we got two different sections on the pair. All right, we're gonna show you guys how it works. What you want to do is make sure you latch it onto the actual door here in the knob if you have it here. All right, and you can close the door, and then all you got to do is brace it in there, and that's it. And it keeps your door. This is working on the first one, and look how the slip actually really tight. So that's on the first one. All right, so the dog's not going to be able to come in. Now let's do the last one. All right, we're going to do the last one. We're going to do the same thing. Lock it in place here. Close the door. We're going to place it in place here. And this is on the first one, all right? Look how much space it has. So you got to put it in here, move it there, and that's how much space you have in there available, all right? So it's actually a bigger crack. See how it works. So here's my dogs. They're trying to get in all the time, and they always want something. And they're always trying to get into the door, but they can't now that I have this. So it gives them a crack open, and they scratch the door. They want trying to get in. But that's pretty much how it works. I hope you guys enjoy the video.